how to do a 2v2 friendly battle with friends in Clash Royale. So if you want to do a 2v2 friendly battle with friends in Clash Royale, then what you need to do, just keep in mind that you can't just head over to your socials tab anymore and find whoever you're trying to friendly battle and just click on this little friendly battle option. It's only going to pull up with 1v1 battle as of right now. To actually do a 2v2, you'll need to be in a clan with the person that you're trying to do a 2v2 with. So to actually go ahead and do that 2v2, simply go ahead and join a clan with that person. And then go ahead and head over to the clan and then right click on the little clan icon, and it's going to pull up a page where you need to look for the friendly battle option. So once you're with the clan with that person, you need to just simply tap on the clan option which is on the bottom. And as you can see that here on the bottom, you will have friendly battle. You need to tap on friendly battle, and then here you will have an option of 1v1 battle and 2v2 battle. So you need to tap on 2v2 battle, and in this way you'll be able to do a 2v2 friendly battle with your friends in Clash Royale. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.